Hey, what's up family? Today we back in the studio with another video, and this one we're gonna go over the full drop list, kinda, because it still says full list not out or whatever, but we got a lot of shit coming out this week and I do want to talk about it. I'm gonna break this shit up into sections because I did make the video yesterday literally talking about it. If you're interested in seeing a full TNF review, go to this video right here because I gave my complete opinions on what I feel about it. I'm mainly gonna focus on the drop list items, and I'm gonna add some Travis Scott and Nike news for y'all. So hey, stay tuned, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Come on bro, more heat on the way. And with all that being said, let's get straight to it. All the way at the top you got the Chapstick for a reason. These shits are a must cop off the rip, so your lips ain't looking like mine right now. You need those shits right there, and it's a 3-pack cherry flavor. Come on bro, it's either the cherry or the mint one. You know what I'm talking about. This is definitely a pickup. Hopefully I remember to add this to cart because I'm not paying shipping for some Chapstick. They could miss me with that shit for real. On an added to something else cart, I take it. There's this faded Jaguar denim crusher. Honestly, I'm not really too much of a fan of this one. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all bro, this shit maybe in the middle of summer going to the beach type beat, but I don't think I'd wear this one. If I'm being blunt with y'all, I'd probably get like a little cargo pocket looking ass one. This right here could take a seat. We already spoke about this tee, which is probably one of the items that I am gonna get. I feel like if I were to get this in that tan color and then this, boom, cart bro. We do got the embroidered chenille hooded sweatshirt in 5 colors. That black one in the back looks beautiful in my opinion. I mainly love the fact that the Supreme is like in this salmon color on the chenille. If you look at the back of this, that's solid. And then you got that brown color with the navy and white. These all look like vintage hoodies, and that's probably why I'm digging it so much. There is double Supreme branding if you really look at it. Doesn't bother me for some reason. I don't know why. It just looks like a clean ass hoodie. And yo, I feel like if the TNF was in this color, it would be better. Not gonna lie. I like it in the brown color and the black the most. Clean hoodie for sure. We got this brushed grid cardigan. This one comes in 2 different colors. Honestly, the cream one for Easter isn't that bad. I'm not gonna lie. This one's a little bit too much, but this one's sick. I actually am feeling the colors on it. It just gives me like smooth vibes. You feel me? Like spring, summer nights, depending where you at, vibes. This is a clean ass cardigan with like a white tee under. Keep it real simple. I feel like that's actually hard. Will I buy it? Hell no. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bruh. There's the Daito Moriyama collaboration dropping this week. As you can see, all the way on our far right hand side, you got the pants coming out, and then on the left you got the denim jacket. In my opinion, shit goes so hard. I am feeling this one. It's already sick because it's a brown denim jacket that add almost like this flare to it, like a different kind of twist. If I were to go for this, I'd probably just go for the brown one, if not the denim color. Then you got the pants, which the pants are so cold bro. I can't be the only one who's feeling how I feel. People actually sleeping on these for no reason. Let me know how y'all feel about it because these numbers might be tripping. I don't know. This shit look clean to me. So we got the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows in the reverse colorway. This is basically the same shit that released last time, the black with the brown. This time he did it in the white with the brown, which is basically the reverse. These were probably gonna release way sooner than what we're expecting at this point, but they're coming. I honestly feel like these are gonna drop. He is wearing them right here. He's actually courtside, as you can see, with Lil Baby right here, and boom, he got them on feet bro. So they might be coming sooner than expected. Once we start getting any official news, I will cover these more in detail, but these are a clean ass pair of sneakers. Oh, I wonder what reactions are gonna be when they drop. I know that these shits are gonna be sold out and they're gonna resell. That's normal, but I just wonder what people are gonna think in general. Let me know what you guys are thinking. I feel like these shits are heat, and whenever they release, count me in, coach. If I had to guess, I'd probably say these are releasing by the very latest end of summer. Grain of salt, grain of salt. That's all I'm gonna say. Bitches is cold. If I could get them for retail, mandatory. Hopefully nobody goes for them and we can go for them. I would love to have these in the collection bro. Look at these shits. Like, who wouldn't? You could wear these shits with a suit. Fuck it. Come on now. Sweatpants, you could do that. Jeans, bro. Endless options. Dead ass. Let me know what y'all think about these Travis Scott reverse Jordan 1s. Might be a high and a low. Homie has on the lows in the picture, right? But then there's this right here, and there's pictures of him wearing it. I'm not about to go and look for it right now. It's out there bro. I am excited to see what's gonna happen, to to be honest. So to cop these hype releases like Travis Scott's Burberry box logos, drops like TNF, I would recommend you guys to sign up for Addict 3.0. Addict has actually been having a lot of success when it comes to box logos and these hyped releases. Y'all can see it up there. Addict is one of the most reliable and fastest iOS bots, and I'm gonna run through some of their features real quick for y'all. They have bot support, so you'll be able to bot on any Shopify site, Supreme and Yeezy. They got monitors, so now you can monitor all hyped releases like these Travis Scott's up there, and once they're sold out, if it restocks, you'll be able to automatically cop items like PS5s, Jordans, and a bunch of heat. They now have a raffles tab, so it has all the hyped releases on there. Whatever you need to enter, you can go ahead and find it on there. There's custom push notification, restock mode, NFT support, intensive guides, and an exclusive Discord group free of charge once you buy the bot. So make sure you go ahead and sign up on Addict.io. It's a one-time fee of $130 with free updates for life, and they do update regularly. Addict 3.0 is packed with a bunch of game-changing features, so if you guys are interested, make sure you go on Addict.io and sign up for their newsletter. That way you are notified whenever 3.0 is released. If you decide to cop Addict, it's for life with no renewal fees. They do have regular updates to make sure everything is running smoothly, and you can even split the payment into 4 separate payments using RESELL. But if you're interested, make sure you click that link on the screen. All you got to do is go on Addict.io and sign up for their newsletter. But with all that being said, let's get back to the video. I don't understand the existence of this piece right here. If y'all saw yesterday's video, bro, who is pulling up to the baby shower in this pink one out here stealing baby presents, bro? Like, you wildin'. Who really copping this? Let me know in the comments, please, because I need to know. And while you're checking out, just remember that when you put this in, there's only one way out to breathe, bro. Like, if you really need to breathe, you either about to extend it and your shit about to look like this, or you're gonna have to take your whole shirt off. We got the coated Cordura camp cap. This one comes in like 5 colors. It's one of them that's calling my name right now, and it's this foresty green one, because they don't normally drop that tone on a hat. I'll probably sleep on this regardless, because I have way too many hats, and if I do buy another hat, it's probably just gonna be a fitted. We got the dog eat dog hooded sweatshirt. The dog looked depressed on the front of this. Shit is sad, bro. Like, why are they doing this? That olive color is terrible. That blue is beautiful though, I'm not gonna lie. That babyish sky blue, like, that shit goes so hard. I feel like this deserves a sick ass print. They don't got it, bro. It's not it. This dash snow short sleeve is actually a banger. Let me know how y'all feel about this one. I like the fact that it is an all over print, but it doesn't look too loud at the same time. The fact that it's almost like this overwashed gray makes it cleaner than if it's just a bunch of designs on this all over print, if that makes sense. This is actually solid. I like the fact that he's wearing dunks. It just gives it like a rugged look. I think it's clean. I wonder if people don't like it because it's too loud. Like, if the image was more concise in the middle of the tee, would people like it more? I wonder. Let me know in the comments. But we do got this overprint beanie. I have no idea what the overprint means. It almost looks like an underlying thread and then an overlying color. This looks like a solid ass beanie to me. That's all I see. The cream color and then this dark gray color right here, definitely solid. Both of those are contenders, not even gonna lie to you. Then we got the ATV6 panel, which this was supposed to release like weeks ago at this point, and it's gonna release again. So yes, if you're trying to cop this, even though I'm pretty sure not a lot of y'all are because it's at the bottom of the list, is dropping this week again. But yeah, that's pretty much every item on the drop list for Supreme this week. I feel like there's some pieces here and there that I am feeling. I'm gonna go through them real quick. Supreme chapstick. The goggles are clean depending on what you're using them for. This crusher is definitely not my style. I feel like this might be up here simply because crushers don't normally have Supreme branding going across it. This shit almost look like a headband. We good on it. This tee in that khaki-ish color looks clean to me. We do got this one, which is fire in that brown or the black color. This in the cream, the all-in-one joint. I'm good on that one. I feel you. That's up to you, bro. Please just do it in the black at least, or the camo, just the black or camo. Jacket, the black or camo. Once again, maybe the blue. This shit is the best item releasing this week. Let me know what y'all feeling about my comments on that, but this shit goes so hard. This Cordura in the forest, this in black, maybe the blue on the Yeezy coat vibes, you feel me? The camo ain't that bad. This in the black is cool. But yeah, that's everything we have so far. If there are any drastic changes, I will come back and adjust for y'all. Yeah, man, leave a like. like, subscribe to the channel, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.